In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we were able to get Mr. Steam carpet cleaning completely booked out with jobs leveraging meta ads connected to cutting edge AI technology. We were able to generate them over $20,000 in new customers fully on autopilot without Mr. Steam having to lift a finger. And I'm going to walk you through all of it in this video. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Carpet Boost AI. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners all over the US and all over the world, helping them to get more jobs, to get booked out on autopilot, leveraging digital marketing connected to cutting edge AI technology. So without further ado, let's dive right in and walk through how we were able to get Mr. Steam completely booked out with jobs, as you can see on the screen right now. So on the front end, we were running meta ads, and I'm going to do another video specifically about meta ads, but ultimately we were running ads on Facebook, on Instagram, Facebook newsfeed, Facebook stories, Instagram newsfeed, Instagram stories, reels, you name it. We had placements all across those social media platforms with a direct response offer. I think it was X number of rooms for X dollars, and you get free deodorizer with every room that you get cleaned. So we were running this offer connected to a really appealing scroll stopping video that was grabbing people's attention, generating leads. And then on the back end, we had it connected to our AI chatbot that's fully trained on the business, that's able to answer any questions about pricing, about the service, that's connected to a Google Calendar, that's able to actually check the carpet cleaner's availability and schedule jobs in fully on autopilot. And that's what I'm going to walk you through right now. So here we are. And effectively, as you can see on the screen here, this is a customer. So they've clicked on that ad, they've come through. And just to give you an example, they've said, I need at least 2 rooms and a hallway done. The AI's responded. For 2 rooms, it's $135. A hallway is $15. Totals $150. You're going to get the free deodorizer in all rooms too. Would you like to schedule? Customers then responded, what are the specials? What other specials are you running right now? The AI's then listed out all the different specials and said, would you like to book a special? The person said, yes, please. The AI's then given them the next available dates for the appointment. And the customers come back and said, let's do 5 rooms in a hallway and I need it on April 29th. The AI then responded and said, for 5 rooms, it's going to be $199. The hallway is going to be $15. Your total's $214. Plus you're going to get the free deodorizer. And here are our available slots, April 29th. And so here you go. It's given the various slots. What time would work best for you? The AI goes on to say, then the person says, sorry, I meant April 28th. AI's then gone, no problem. It's gone to that Google Calendar in the background, given the available time slots for April 28th. Customers then given their chosen time slot, 3:30. Great. To confirm your booking for 5 rooms in a hallway, I need your info, your phone number, your email, your address. Customer gives all that info. The AI has then basically created that appointment and scheduled them in for their preferred date and time. So you can just see how amazing that is, you know, as a carpet cleaning business owner, as a small business owner, staying on top of the inquiries coming in, trying to remember to follow up with people, especially when you're out in the field. It can be a logistical nightmare, and speed to lead is so important. If it takes you a couple of hours to get back to somebody, the chances are they're going to have gone and scheduled with somebody else instead. And the reality is we're all human beings. Sometimes we're at the movies. Sometimes it's the middle of the night when these leads come through. Sometimes, you're at a restaurant celebrating a birthday and you just can't get to the phone right then and there. With the AI plugged in, you never have to worry about that. This thing is working 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. It follows up instantaneously. It can book jobs for you around the clock. As we could see here with Mr. Steamer, this AI system completely smashed it, totally booked this carpet cleaner out with jobs. And they didn't have to waste so much time answering those repetitive questions, constantly glued to the phone. Do you travel to this area? How long does it take the carpet to dry? The AI was able to handle that around the clock. So the carpet cleaner was able to just focus on doing what they do best. And this system can handle all the follow-up, all the booking of the jobs, etc., etc., etc. And so that's how we were able to generate so many jobs like we can see on the screen here for Mr. Steam. It's not just about the ads. That's where a lot of people make a lot of mistakes. It's what happens on the back end. It's all about, how quickly you follow up. And there are statistics to say that if you're able to follow up in the first 10 to 15 minutes, your chance of actually booking that person in increases significantly. After 15 minutes, the chance of you actually booking that person in drops massively. And if you're getting back to people an hour or two later, the chances are they might have scheduled with somebody else, they might have lost interest, etc., etc. So having this in your business is so, so, so important. And as time goes on, this is going to become pretty much the industry standard. We live in this world of convenience where you can click a button on your TV remote and you've got Netflix and thousands of hours of videos and TV shows. You don't have to drive to Blockbuster Video anymore like you used to back in the day. You can click a button on your phone and a taxi pulls up magically outside your door within a few minutes, or a pizza arrives, or whatever it is. And that's what people have come to expect. People want answers quickly. We live in this world of convenience. And it's really important that your carpet cleaning business keeps up with the times and is able to offer that level of convenience to your customers as well, or they're going to move on to somebody else. So don't get left behind with all this new AI technology. And if you want someone to help implement this in your business for you, we can absolutely do that. In the description of this video is a scheduler link. Click on that, book a time with us, and we'll happily walk you through this on Zoom and talk about how we can do this for you. Set this up so that you don't have to worry about it, so that you can convert more of your leads into actual jobs on autopilot 24/7. That's all from me today. Do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. I've got a new video coming out next week, which I'm really excited to share with you as well. Until then, cheers.